Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and... What is the last color of the rainbow? Oh! Hi, my friends, it's me, Lulu Make. You came at the right time. I was planning to create a rainbow crowd with you. I just forgot the last color of the rainbow. Can you help me? What do you think is the first letter of the missing color? Oh, it's P? Pink? Oh, pink? Oh, no pink. Okay, then I know it's purple. Thank you so much for helping me, my friends. Shall we start crafting? Before we do, let's go over what we need. For this craft, we will need a paper plate or any round object to trace, watercolor paper or any white paper you have at home, pencil, scissors, oil pastels or crayons, watercolors, a paintbrush, glue, cotton balls or pom-poms, black marker, cup of water, white paint, and a Q-tip. Let's place our paper plate on the watercolor paper and trace around it using our pencil. Next, we are going to cut out the circle by following the pencil outline we just made. Remember, when we are cutting, our thumb should always be facing up on top and our fingers are on the bottom. If you need help cutting, ask the grown-up who is with you today to help you. Now, cut your circle into 2 pieces. But before you start cutting, we want one piece to be slightly bigger than the other. Use your oil pastels or crayons to draw a rainbow arch. We want to go up and around and back down. Let's use our red crayon or oil pastel to draw the first arch. We are going up and around and back down. The next color is orange. Try to leave a little white space between each arch as we will fill in our rainbow with our watercolors. After orange comes yellow. Up, up, up we go and around we go and all the way down. Now comes the green. And the blue. Let's not forget purple. There! Did you make it? Excellent! Now, let's use our pencil to draw one final arch. Find your scissors and let's follow this pencil outline and cut it out. Find your watercolors, cup of water, and your paintbrush because it's time to paint. First, let's dip your paintbrush into the water and activate our watercolors by touching them gently with our paintbrush. Just ice skate on top of your palette. Now, we are going to trace our red arch first. Once you are happy with your watercolor arch, let's paint the next color of the rainbow. Remember, To wash your paintbrush in between each color, just dip your paintbrush into your water and mix it until it is nice and clean. Then apply the next watercolor paint onto your paintbrush. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video to give yourself a little more time to finish the step. Don't worry if the colors are blending together. That's exactly how a real rainbow looks in nature. The colors blend all together. Oh, and speaking about rainbows, did you know that rainbows are actually full circles, but we only can see their arch? Also, rainbows are made from sunlight and water droplets. See? Rainbows are something we can see, but we cannot touch unless we paint one. This is mine. Can I see yours? Wow! Look at those beautiful arches, and you did a great job blending the colors together. Well done, my friends. Wait, I just got an idea. What about we draw a cute little face on the rainbow using our black marker? Let me show you how. First, we want to draw one circle on the left side and one on the right side. Now, let's color both circles black. If you like, you can add two arched lines, like this. This will be the eyelashes for our rainbow. Next, we will draw the letter U right between the eyes. I like to add these little 3 dots on the side of the eyes. Now we have a happy little rainbow. If you like, you can take your Q-tip and dip it into a small amount of paint and press it onto both eyes. When we add these white dots, it creates a reflection, just like the ones we see in our own eyes when we look in the mirror. Maybe we can even add a couple of clouds on the bottom of the rainbow. You can use cotton balls or pom-poms if you have some at home. First, let's squeeze some glue on the bottom of your rainbow. And let's add a few pom-poms or cotton balls. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Look at this! Let me see your masterpiece. Wow! Great job, my friends, and thank you again for helping me with the last color of the rainbow. And you know what time it is? It's time for the wiggle dance. I like to move my arms, and once you are ready, do a big high five. Also, stretch your arms to the side and give yourself a big hug and a tap on the back and say out loud, good job. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and creating with me. And you know what? If you like, maybe you can hit that like button and subscribe for more art fun and tutorials. And I will see you on the next one. Bye, my friends.